Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how we can download and install the VirtualBox. So to download and install VirtualBox, you can open your browser, and within the browser, just write download VirtualBox, download VirtualBox, or download VirtualBox for Windows. So download VirtualBox. So it will give you the first link, VirtualBox. So click on the first link, VirtualBox, download VirtualBox. And here you can see different options to download. So out of these options, select the Windows host. So if your computer is Windows, so download host. So the VirtualBox is downloaded, right? So now we'll see how we can install the VirtualBox. So the VirtualBox, the one I downloaded, so this is in my desktop, right? So now double click this VirtualBox. So it will show you, ask you to, it will bring you this window and ask you, like, do you want to allow this app to change your device? All right, so click yes. So when you click yes, so it will bring you another new screen. So just click next, and keep everything default, right? So whatever it here, so keep everything default, and this is the location, so the path, and then next, and then it's saying and warning, like installing the Oracle VirtualBox 7.0.6 networking features will reset your network connections and temporarily disconnect your. So this is just warning. So say yes, then again yes, right? So now install. So it will start installing, right? So finish. So start Oracle VirtualBox. You can check mark this, or you can uncheck it and then say finish. So your Oracle VirtualBox is installed. So within this environment, you can install different operating systems. So like your Windows operating system, your Linux operating system, Ubuntu, that means you can create multiple virtual machine within this environment. So another video, I'll show you how to install Windows virtual machine within this virtual environment. Thank you.